Fuzhou Soarfree Information Technology Co., Limited, have been specializing in electronic shelf labels for over 11 years. With proven OEM/ODM expertise, we serve more than 10,000 customers worldwide, covering 23 countries and 1,000 plus cities. We have over 300 staff members in our team, covering R&D, manufacturing, marketing, and sales service. Our 6,500 square meters smart factory features a Class 10K clean room production lines. There are 4 SMT lines plus 12 automated assembly lines. For manufacturing, we have key processes, fully or semi-automated. Monthly capacity is 2.5 million units, EPD e-paper labels, and LCD signages. Production capacity is 65% utilization, with 99.8% yield. Battery life of devices is up to 10 years. Our ESLs are built for every retail environment. Price updates of our ESLs are very fast in seconds. Promotions go live instantly. Our ESLs are certified CE, RoHS, FCC, MIC, SRRC, and factory are audited by Intertek. Multi-site production ensures reliable delivery. With such strong production and fulfillment services, we can support from one store to millions pieces, installation preparation, within 24 hours. We guarantee every label is testable, traceable, trustworthy, quality first, customer focus, tech-driven, always innovating. That is what we values. Soarfree ESLs empower digital transformation in retail, not just breakthroughs, but a promise behind every label we deliver.